This one here on a midnight dare in a border town. Every time he stuck that needle in my skin, she had to look away, had him put it right here on my chest over my heart. That rose of Jericho looked so good, painted underneath her name. It hurt like hell, yeah, but it was worth the pain. When I'm missing her, I take another shot. I know it ain't the cure, but right now it's all I got. She took most of me, and now all that I have left are tattoos to remember, tequila to forget. Just another neon roller coaster Friday night. Bartender wiping down that bar while he keeps an eye on me, and I sure hope he ain't about to cut me off, 'cause I'm only one or two away from getting my head where it needs to be. When I'm missing her, I take another shot. I know it ain't the cure, but right now it's all I got. She took most of me, and now all that I have left are tattoos to remember, tequila to forget. Yeah, hurt like hell, but it was worth the pain. When I'm missing her, I take another shot. I know it ain't the cure,